This is called nutmeg. This is just quarter of the nutmeg. Add in this. So this is called patika. Actually this is used for purifying the water, but we are using this in the sweet. Later we will use this in the sweet. On the flame. And this is wheat flour, we call as whole wheat rava. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes until it turns into transparent. So after 4 minutes the rava has been fried. You can see the color has been changed. At this stage we will add water. So the rava is 1 cup and water is 3.5 cups. Let it come for a boil. So now cook in medium flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes. Now keep the lid and cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes. So now it is totally cooked. This is 1 cup of sugar. Again, cook in medium flame for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, so you can see the sugar has melted and it has been caramelized. Now we'll add jaggery. This is 1 cup of jaggery. Ilachi powder, and we have prepared the powder like patika and nutmeg powder. Now this stage we will add ghee. Add ghee. Cook in medium flame for 10 minutes. The Annavaram Prasadam was ready, perfectly cooked. Off the flame.